Welcome to the ultimate breakdown of the most exciting AI video tools in 2025. We've scoured through hundreds of AI video platforms to bring you the cutting-edge tools that will revolutionize content creation, from open-source AI video generators to AI-powered transitions and effects. Ready to see what's next for AI in video? Let's dive in. First up is Wangs, an open-source AI video model from Alibaba that's topping AI video generation benchmarks. It can handle complex human movements, dynamic scenes, and stylized animations, from photorealistic skaters to anthropomorphic cats and 3D foxes. Key highlights: handles intricate human motion like dancing and action scenes. Generates photorealistic and stylized videos, 3D, animated. Open source and free to use, but slow if run locally. Available on Replicate for easier cloud access, pricey, 50 cents per second. Whether you want realistic human action or animated graphics, Wangs sets a new standard. Next is Google's V2 model, capable of ultra-realistic 4K AI videos. Its strength? Consistency and realism, even when dealing with complex textures like pouring coffee or honey. Pros and cons: stunning visual quality and consistent character identity. Falls short in dynamic action scenes, e.g., cars and fast motion look floaty. Great for slow, cinematic shots but not high-speed action. Pricing similar to Wangs, 50 cents per second, but with better UX and UI. If cinematic realism is your goal, Google's VO shines in elegant, slow-motion scenes. Sponsored in this video, VidAI is an end-to-end AI video creation tool perfect for YouTube Shorts and faceless content. What it does: generate scripts, voices, music, and images from text prompts. Offers AI narrators and art styles, cinematic, comic, natural. Fully editable workflow for tweaking scripts, images, music, and captions. Great for scaling video production, create hundreds of shorts fast. Perfect for creators looking to automate content while retaining creative control. Pika's 2.2 model isn't just about improved video quality, it introduces P-frames, P-swaps, and P-additions for next-level creativity. Features to watch: P-frames, smooth morphing between scenes, e.g., fashion edits. P-swaps, transform objects and people, e.g., swap yourself for a cat. P-additions, add AI-generated elements into real videos. 80 free credits monthly, but watermarks require premium plans, $28 per month to remove. Ideal for creative storytelling, morphing sequences, and fun effects like swapping yourself mid-video. Forget robotic AI voices, Hume introduces emotionally intelligent AI speech that understands tone, context, and cadence. Features include: voice-based LLM, understands meaning for natural delivery. Customizable voice prompts, e.g., medieval town crier. Accurately conveys sarcasm, humor, and emotion. A game-changer for voiceovers and AI storytelling that sounds real and engaging. Flora is a collaborative AI canvas where you can mix tools like ChatGPT, Luma Dream Machine, Runway, Pika, and Stability AI, all in one infinite visual board. What makes it powerful? Drag-and-drop AI workflows, text, images, videos. Collaborative editing like Figma for AI. Keeps consistent design elements, e.g., color palettes, across outputs. A must-try for teams and creative agencies looking for an AI super workspace. Notion AI continues to evolve, now able to extract text from images and automatically format content beautifully. Key abilities: turns handwritten notes into digital text. Auto-formats lists, headers, to-dos with styling and structure. Ideal for creative workflows combining offline and online work. For creators who think on paper but publish digitally, this is a powerful bridge. An AI-powered pen with built-in cameras captures everything you write, draw, and instantly digitizes it. Why it's revolutionary: physical plus digital note-taking in real time. Turns scribbles into searchable text and vector graphics. Perfect for designers, writers, and creators blending real and digital worlds. Bridging analog creativity and AI workflows, this pen redefines note-taking. Creative ad campaigns are blending real footage and AI effects for mind-blowing transitions. Example, to real shower gel ad shifts into an AI dreamscape of flying lemons and limes before returning to reality. Expect more AI x real-world collaborations in advertising, film, and storytelling. AI video tools in 2025 are breaking boundaries with incredible realism, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Whether you're a YouTuber, creative agency, or hobbyist, these tools give unprecedented control over video production, voiceovers, and visual storytelling. If you're ready to dive deeper, check the free ebook on AI Side Hustles link below, and don't forget to explore the other exciting AI tools video also linked.